In the scenario that you've pulled multiple records from NetSuite using filters or save searches, you can highlight the cells that you want to delete in NetSuite. So I'm on my template right now. I just want to delete this set of records. I'm highlighting the cells, then I'll go to delete from NetSuite, and then I'm going to toggle records on selected rows only before deleting the records. If you have an existing record and you wish to remove lines, you can do that within the CloudExtend application as well. Just pull the record from NetSuite to Excel, highlight the row that you want to remove, then right-click on the row on your Excel, choose Delete. Once done, send it back to NetSuite. Just go to the CloudExtend panel, then upload to NetSuite, then upload records. To check if the changes took effect, you can validate if the update has been posted successfully.